Hey there! Are you ready to embark on a journey? A quest to conquer something that might seem a little daunting at first glance? Let's talk about math. Don't roll your eyes just yet. I know, for many, the mere mention of the word math conjures up images of endless equations, confusing formulas, and maybe even a little bit of anxiety. But what if I told you that math isn't the enemy? What if I told you it's actually a powerful tool, a hidden key that can unlock a world of understanding and opportunity? Math isn't just numbers. It's so much more than that. It's not just about memorizing formulas or crunching numbers on a calculator. It's a secret code for understanding the world. It's the language that describes the patterns and relationships that govern everything around us, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. From shopping deals, where you're calculating discounts and figuring out the best bargains, to video games where complex algorithms create immersive worlds and challenging gameplay, math is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes in almost every aspect of our daily lives. It's making life easier and more fun, streamlining processes and enhancing our experiences in countless ways. Think of math as a workout for your brain, a mental gym where you can strengthen your cognitive muscles. Every problem you solve makes you sharper, more analytical, and better equipped to tackle challenges in all areas of your life. It's not about being a math person. The idea that some people are naturally good at math and others aren't is a myth. Anyone can get good at it with the right approach, the right tools, and a little bit of perseverance. We'll break things down step by step, taking a gradual and methodical approach to mastering key concepts, so you can study smarter, not harder, focusing on understanding the underlying principles rather than just memorizing formulas. Forget the old myths. Math can be your new favorite subject. It can be a source of intellectual stimulation, a pathway to new discoveries, and a source of immense personal satisfaction. Ready to swap math anxiety for confidence? To transform your fear and apprehension into a sense of empowerment and mastery? Let's unlock the secrets together. Let's demystify the world of mathematics and reveal its hidden beauty and power. By the end, you won't just pass math, you'll own it. You'll have a deep and intuitive understanding of the subject, and you'll be able to apply your knowledge to solve real-world problems with confidence and skill. New math topic? It can feel a bit daunting, right? Like stepping into uncharted territory. You see the textbook, maybe some notes, and a wave of unfamiliar terms washes over you. But don't worry, we're going to break it down and make it manageable. Don't panic, it's just like meeting someone new. Think of it as a first date with a new subject. You wouldn't dive into deep conversations right away, would you? You'd start with introductions, get a feel for their personality, and find common ground. Start by getting the big picture. Before you get bogged down in the details, take a step back and look at the landscape. What's the overall goal of this topic? What are the key concepts it's trying to explain? What is this about? Why does it matter? Understanding the why behind a math topic is crucial. How does it connect to what you already know? Where might you use this in the real world or in other areas of math? Skim the intro, don't try to absorb everything at once. Just get a general sense of what's to come. Look for keywords, definitions, and any introductory examples. Listen to your teacher. Pay close attention in class. Your teacher is there to guide you through the material and answer your questions. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification if something doesn't make sense, and spot the main ideas. What are the core principles and formulas that you need to understand? Highlight them, underline them, or write them down in your own words. Gather your tools. Just like a craftsman needs the right tools for the job, you need the right resources to learn math effectively. Notebook. A dedicated notebook is essential for taking notes, working through problems, and organizing your thoughts. Pencil and highlighters. Pencils for working through problems and highlighters for marking important information. Jot down new vocabulary. Every math topic comes with its own set of terms and definitions, and define it in your own words. This is key to truly understanding the concepts. Don't just memorize the definitions. Explain them in a way that makes sense to you. Watch how examples are solved. Examples are your best friend when learning math. They show you how the concepts are applied in practice. Don't just read, actually work through them, put pencil to paper, and follow each step carefully. Make sure you understand why each operation is performed. Ask yourself why each step happens. Understanding the logic behind each step is more important than just memorizing the process. Connect the dots. Math is not just a collection of isolated facts, it's a web of interconnected ideas. See how different concepts relate to each other. Try one easy problem on your own. Start with something simple to build your confidence, using the example as a guide. Don't be afraid to refer back to the example as you work through the problem. It's okay to check back. Learning is an iterative process. It's perfectly normal to need to look things up or review concepts as you go. This is about learning, not perfection. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. Notice what's clear and what's confusing. Pay attention to the areas where you feel confident and the areas where you're struggling. That's your roadmap. The areas where you're struggling are the ones you need to focus on. This will guide your studying and help you prioritize your efforts. Small wins now build your confidence for the next step. Every problem you solve, every concept you understand, is a step forward. Celebrate those small victories and use them to fuel your motivation for the challenges ahead. Math textbooks can look like secret codes, but you're the detective. Read slowly, pencil in hand. Underline rules, circle vocab, jot notes. Don't just glance at examples. Cover the solution, try it yourself, then compare. Pinpoint where you get stuck, that's where you need to focus. Look for hints, diagrams, and common error boxes. They're hidden gems. Diagrams can make tricky ideas click, and error boxes save you from classic mistakes. At the end of each section, close the book and explain what you learned in your own words. If you can teach it simply, you really get it. If not, revisit that part. Self-explanation cements new info. Active learning is your secret weapon. Big math problems can look like mountains, but they're just a bunch of small hills. Break problems into bite-sized steps, like slicing a pizza. Read the problem twice, highlight key info, and ignore distractions. Write down what you know and what you're solving for. Make a mini plan. What's step 1, step 2? Tackle each part separately, adding, subtracting, whatever's needed. Write out your work. Don't try to do it all in your head. Organize steps. Make it easy to spot mistakes. Check each piece before moving on. Before you know it, you've solved the impossible problem. One slice at a time, you've got this. Celebrate each step. Say, practice doesn't make perfect, but it makes you way better. Like athletes and musicians, you need to practice math regularly, not just before tests. Short daily sessions beat marathon cramming every time. Practice moves ideas from short-term to long-term memory. Start with easy problems, then challenge yourself with harder ones. Struggling is good. It means your brain is growing. Use your strategies. Break problems down, don't rush. After solving, pause and think. What kind of problem was this? Could I solve it another way? Understanding the why is as important as the how. This deeper learning sets you apart. Embrace practice as your daily brain workout. Every problem solved is progress. Life moves fast, doesn't it? Between classes, extracurriculars, social life, and maybe even a part-time job, it can feel like there aren't enough hours in the day. That's where a study schedule becomes your super secret weapon. It's the key to unlocking your academic potential without sacrificing everything else you enjoy. Think of it as your personal roadmap to success. It's not about cramming in endless hours of study. That's a recipe for burnout. We're not aiming for quantity here. Instead, focus on short, highly focused sessions that seamlessly fit into your daily life. Think quality over quantity. A little bit each day goes a long way. Whether you prefer a traditional paper planner, the convenience of your phone's calendar, or even a collection of colorful sticky notes, find the method that resonates with you and makes scheduling feel less like a chore. The goal is to have a visual representation of your time commitments. Be realistic with yourself. Don't schedule your most challenging subject like math for after a particularly packed and draining day. You'll be too tired to focus effectively, and it will only lead to frustration. Look for those small pockets of time that often go unused, maybe 15 minutes right after school, before you get caught up in other activities, or perhaps after dinner when things have quieted down. When you schedule, be specific. Instead of writing study math, write read section 4.2 in the textbook and complete problems 1 through 5. A vague instruction like study math is overwhelming and doesn't provide clear direction. There's a real sense of accomplishment that comes from checking off even the smallest tasks. It feels great and keeps you motivated to stick to your schedule. Remember, your schedule is a tool designed to help you, not a rigid trap that confines you. If something comes up or you're not feeling up to a particular task, don't be afraid to move things around. Consistency is key to building strong study habits. The more consistently you stick to your schedule, the easier it will become. Soon, studying will feel less like a chore and more like an automatic part of your routine. With a solid schedule in place, you'll experience less stress and more effective learning. By freeing up your mental energy from constantly planning and worrying about what to study, you'll have more brain power available for actual understanding and comprehension. Ultimately, your study schedule is your personal guide, keeping you on track towards your academic goals and helping you achieve the success you deserve. Confused? That's normal. It means you're learning. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's a superpower. Be specific when you ask, "I get this part, but not that step." Don't wait until the last minute. Ask as soon as you're stuck. Teachers, friends, and classmates are all resources. Study groups can make tough topics click. Just stay focused. Teaching others helps you learn too. Use online resources and tutoring centers if you need extra help. There's a world of support. Just reach out. Smart learners ask for help. Finished your homework? Don't close the book yet. Check your work. Plug your answer back into the problem. Does it make sense? Estimate. Does your answer seem reasonable? If something's off, hunt for the mistake. Don't just erase and move on. Learn from errors. What went wrong and why? Keep a mistake journal to spot patterns. Catching mistakes now saves points later. Progress comes from learning, not perfection. Be your own math detective. Math can be tough and frustration is normal. When you're stuck, take a short break, refresh your brain. Mindset matters swap. I can't do this for I can't do this yet. Growth happens with effort. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward counts. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress. Are you better than last month? That's what matters. Stay positive and persistent. Your journey is unique. Own it. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. You're on the right path. You've got this.